In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lead labels in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark your leads as hot, warm, or cold, update existing leads, and create custom labels with colors so your team can prioritize at a glance. First, head over to your Pipedrive account and look to the left-hand pane. Click on Leads. This is your central inbox for new opportunities that haven't yet moved into your main pipeline. Labels help you quickly understand which leads deserve immediate attention and which ones can wait, without digging into every detail. When you create a new lead, you'll see an option to select a lead label during the setup. Pipedrive includes default labels: hot, warm, and cold. Think of these as a simple traffic light for intent and priority. Hot means you should reach out now because the lead is engaged or time-sensitive. Warm signals interest, but maybe not urgency. Cold means it might need nurturing or a later follow-up. Don't overthink it. Pick the best fit based on what you know now. You can always adjust the label as your conversations evolve. You're not limited to new leads, though. You can also open any existing lead to update its label. Click into a lead from your list, and on the Details pane you'll find the Labels section. Click on it to add or change the label. Choose the one that best matches the lead's current status. Pipedrive saves this automatically, which keeps your team aligned and your list clean. If the defaults don't fit your process, you can create your own. In that same Labels area, click Create New Label. Give it a clear, consistent name, something your whole team will understand, and pick a color that contrasts well. For example, you might create labels like Partner, Upsell, or Re-engage, each with a distinct color. Keep your set focused so it stays useful. Too many labels can become noise. If you're collaborating, agree on naming rules ahead of time so everyone applies labels the same way. That's the core workflow. Open leads, choose a label when creating a new lead, adjust labels on existing leads from the Details pane, and create custom labels with colors when you need them. Using labels consistently helps you scan your list, prioritize outreach, and maintain a clear picture of pipeline health. And there you go. Simple, fast, and effective. That's all.